Instead of spending 4 years of her life over a dishpan, the modern housewife simply turns the switch of her dishwasher and the whole day's accumulation of dishes is washed automatically in 5 minutes.
Today is one of those days where I'm just feeling really overwhelmed. I have 1,001 things to do. So today I'm going to be cleaning my house. I'm going to take you guys along with me. Recently there's been such a shift in my world, a very positive one, and I kind of just want to reset my home. There's like just a lot of negative energy I feel just sitting around, so I want to do a cleanse. We're all so affected by our space. I don't really have like a system today. It's one of those days I don't know where to start. I have so much to do. I feel really overwhelmed and I have a lot of stuff that I need to get done, and again I just don't know where to start, so I guess we'll just figure this out together. I got some Red Bull helping me out today. I've been drinking more Red Bull than I would like to lately. I think this is a really weird angle, but I didn't have anywhere to set my camera, so let's go. Found a helper. Okay, I think that's good. Good job.
Disclaimer.
Be careful you don't break it, honey.
Okay. La 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 la. post this on YouTube. Guys, subscribe to
This oil diffuser from Target.
It looks kind of dirty still.
Oh, it's alright. You did good. Good job. Okay. Woo. Hard work, huh? So I didn't get everything done, so I'm gonna pick up tomorrow. It's nighttime and beat.